Are you using your rugs the wrong way? A simple shift in rug placement can completely transform your room, making it feel bigger, cozier, and more stylish. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into creative rug placement ideas that will not only enhance your decor, but also maximize the comfort and functionality of your space. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious home, these ideas will help you design like a pro. Rug placement means deciding where and how you position a rug in a room to define areas, create balance, and add visual appeal. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Living room. Place the rug under the front legs of your sofa and chairs to anchor the seating area. Bedroom. Position a large rug under the bed, leaving equal space on both sides for symmetry. For smaller rugs, place them at the foot of the bed for a layered look. Dining room. Always make sure the rug extends at least 24 inches beyond the edges of the dining table so chairs remain on the rug even when pulled out. Entryway. A bold runner rug creates a welcoming statement and helps guide guests into your home. Layering. Combine a neutral large rug with a smaller patterned one for depth and texture. Tools explained. The only tools you really need are measuring tape for accurate sizing, rug pads to prevent slipping and protect your flooring, a good vacuum cleaner to maintain rug quality. Quick tips. Always measure your space before buying. Choose rugs that complement your furniture style and wall color. Go for larger rugs instead of smaller ones. Undersized rugs can make a room look awkward. Cost comparison. Budget-friendly rugs from stores like IKEA or Target start from around $50 to $150. Mid-range options with better durability range from $200 to $500. High-end designer rugs can cost $1,000 or more, but they often last decades with proper care. Workflow. Step 1. Measure your space. Step 2. Select a rug that matches your furniture and color scheme. Step 3. Use rug pads for safety. Step 4. Position the rug based on room function. Step 5. Layer or accessorize for added style. Notes. Interior designers recommend that rugs should either fit all furniture legs on them or at least the front legs. Avoid having rugs that float in the middle of a room without connecting to furniture. It breaks visual harmony. We covered how rug placement can define your space, from living rooms and bedrooms to dining areas and entryways. You've also learned tips on measurement, layering, and budget choices. If you found these rug placement ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home styling tips, and share it with someone who's decorating their space right now.